Welcome to the aerial tour of North Collier Regional Park. The park offers the following amenities: an exhibit hall, Rec-Plex fitness complex, Sun and Fun Lagoon, features water slides and a lazy river spanning an impressive 1,250 linear feet. This winding waterway varies between 8 and 10 feet wide. Calusa fossil dig playground, 8 tournament soccer fields, 4 natural grass and 4 FIFA certified artificial turf fields, 5 tournament softball fields, picnic pavilions, boardwalk, a 2.5-mile walking trail. There is so much fun to be had at the North Collier Regional Park. The park is located at 15,000 Livingston Road, Naples, Florida, 34109.